Ever tried to split the bill electronically and ended up in a digital tug-of-war? Let's be honest, paying friends back can be a nightmare. Forget the awkward reminders, the calculations over brunch, or the scramble to find an ATM that doesn't charge outrageous fees. In today's digital age, there's gotta be a smoother way, right? Well, there are a few money transfer apps out there, and Zelle is a popular one. But with so many banks and options, it's easy to get confused. So, the question is, can you use Zelle if you bank with Capital One? Hold on to your receipts, folks, because this video will break it all down for you. Zelle allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US. It's a super convenient way to pay your roommate for rent, split a dinner bill, or send a quick gift to a friend. But the key thing to remember is that Zelle works through partnering banks and credit unions. So, does Capital One play ball with Zelle? You bet they do. In fact, Capital One makes it really easy to use Zelle directly within their mobile app. That means no more switching between different apps or logging into separate accounts. It's all there, ready for your next money transfer. Here's the exciting part, Capital One doesn't charge any fees to send or receive money with Zelle. That's right, you can ditch the hidden charges and split that concert ticket with your bestie without breaking the bank, even more. But what if your friend doesn't bank with Capital One? No sweat. The beauty of Zelle is that it works across many financial institutions. As long as their bank or credit union also offers Zelle, you can still send them money with ease. They might just need to enroll in Zelle through their own bank's app first. Now, a quick word of caution. While Zelle is a fantastic tool, it's important to remember it's meant for people you know and trust. Once you send money through Zelle, the transaction is typically final. So, be wary of falling for online scams or sending money to strangers. Alright, that's pretty much everything you need to know. Capital One and Zelle are a great team for quick, secure, and fee-free money transfers between friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep your financial transactions smooth.